Hello everybody, this is Uncle Bruce with English Brazil, and I just wanted to take a moment and talk to you about planning a trip and your baggage, okay? All the things that you're going to take in your suitcases. And so we call that baggage, we call that luggage, suitcases. And so you have to plan all this. It's not something you just do automatic. It's a planning process, especially when you're traveling international. But even national, inside of Brazil, you have to plan it out, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is the words baggage, luggage, suitcase. They're all interchangeable. And the word backpack, okay? That's something you put on your back and you carry many things, personal things in there, because that can go on the plane with you. We call it carry-on luggage, okay? Or carry-on bags. You can have a backpack, you can have a small satchel, you can have many different types of things when you're traveling. And then also women have a purse, so that can be an extra object you can take. So a carry-on, a purse, and I carry two carry-ons, okay, because I don't have a purse. I don't carry a purse. And so you can carry a lot on the plane, but you cannot carry many things. You cannot carry liquids above a certain quantity. Gels, anything paste, I like carrying peanut butter. It's heavy. And so I would like to carry it on the plane, but I can't. I have to put that inside my baggage that's going to go into the cargo hold.